In the city of Hosur in southern India, an electric scooter factory is a hub of activity, producing a new scooter every 90 seconds. Ather Energy, an electric scooter manufacturer, has experienced a surge in demand, going from selling about 200 units a month 3 years ago to over 15,000 units monthly now. India is electrifying its vast personal vehicle market, focusing primarily on 2- and 3-wheelers, which far outnumber cars. Electric mopeds are now a common sight on congested roads, promoted by environmentalists and the government to combat smog. India aims for electric vehicles, EVs, to constitute 80% of 2- and 3-wheeler sales and a third of private car sales by 2030. This push has led to significant EV adoption driven by strong state support, subsidies, and programs like FAME, faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles. Despite progress, challenges remain. India's charging infrastructure lags, and experts estimate around $285 billion is needed to fully electrify the 2- and 3-wheeler markets. Skepticism about EV safety, reliability, and value persists among some consumers. However, as battery prices decrease and economies of scale improve, the equation is expected to balance out, making EVs more appealing economically. Entrepreneurs like Anmol Singh Jaggi, CEO of BlueSmart, predict that falling battery costs and improved efficiency will open opportunities for young entrepreneurs, calling the electric transition a once-in-a-century kind of opportunity. While hurdles remain, India's efforts to electrify its vehicle market, particularly 2- and 3-wheelers, are shaping a promising future for electric mobility.